Hey guys, Retro Badger here. So in this video, I'm going to put the USS Defiant up against the Devore warship. So here we go. Now these ships are absolutely insanely powerful. So we have to be careful here. Very careful. And cloak. Uh-oh. Oh gosh, that's bad. Wait. Hey, yeah, look at that. I think using the cloak's going to be the best way here, to be honest, because those Devore warships are insane.
We have to move now.
We are moving at 5,600 kph. Stick your head out of the window, Seska. I mean, not Seska. Whatever your name is now. Safi, Seska. Oh! Oh no, what? I think I've broken something. Oh gosh. Right. I think we need to just go in full on, don't we? Okay, so this time let's just do it Cisco style. None of this cloak business. Just go straight in and finish them off, hopefully. I really hope those don't miss. Here we go. Yes, on target. That's what I want to see.
Sir, we are
they weren't.
their top shield.
Yeah, these Devore warships are very, very tricky to deal with. See? Their weapons... Ooh. Their disruptors are very, very powerful. And they have some type of weird photon as well. Sort of weird torpedo. Not bad. Oh no! They've got us again. Look at that. Oh man. Now what? Oh, that's what. I'm going to try this the other way around just to conclusively sum this up.
The ship is
Okay.
red alert, shields up.
I hear the Defiant has some holograms aboard. Gosh. Oh, wow. Looks like Cisco's in the house. Oh, their shields have collapsed. Look at that. Well, there we have it. The Devore warship is certainly more powerful.
That's it. We got him.
Well, thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.